The second thing that you are going to learn is sheet 2. I will give you an access of this sheet also. Okay, website planning and architecture. Okay, what is website planning and architecture? Basically, primarily you define in this what all you need from a website developer. Most of the times uh, we give just the information to the website developer that you have to do this, and they do it. And sometimes you feel it's not up to the mark, or what do you want is not achieved. It's because you haven't done the proper planning and research or define the architecture of the website. For doing that, you have to do two things in it. One is making the website sitemap. Okay. Second is website wireframe. Now, what is both the things? Okay. What is sitemap? Sitemap is primarily you define what all pages you need in your website. Like you need a home page, you need a contact us page, you need a search page, you need an about us page, you need a product page, you need a subcategory page, you need a blog page. So whatever pages you require in a website, that is known as site plan. Primarily, you define what all pages you need. Okay, that is what site map is. Is that clear to everyone? What is site map?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Second is wireframe. Wireframe is primarily is of not website wireframe, web pages wireframe, I would say. In that, what you do is you decided the number of pages. Now you define the elements of each page. Like you want a logo on top right hand side, top left hand side. You want to show your numbers, company's contact details, social media icon, then a menu bar, then what this page is all about in header format. Okay, like you want to define this. My logo will come on top right. My menu will come like this. My number will come here, and this kind of heading I want to give. Okay, then these kind of buttons I want to put over there, and I want to display my features like this and different things. Okay, primarily you define what element should be there on that particular page. That is what wireframing is. If I give you an example of it, the example of it would be like this. I have asked a lot of batches I'm running for digital marketing across globe. So this is somebody made for an e-commerce site, like placing boxes and defining what elements you want to put it. Okay, so website logo, address selection primarily means that people can select city so that it display all the product relevant, then a search bar, a sign up option, a login option, and all the different elements you want on that page. This is an wireframe of the home page. Similarly, you can build the wireframe of your about us page, your product page, and other details. Just keep one thing in mind: you are building it for users. Think it from a user perspective, that what is needed. If I have a query of this, so what you can do is how to build that is very easy. You can look at first thing, you can list down all your questions which your users generally have in mind when searching your product, and place that content in the website. One thing. Second is you can look at your competitors, what they have done. So you can add certain elements which you think are relevant for you. These are the two ways, and you can jumble it up and make the wireframe. So critically, you should know how to create a sitemap and wireframe. If you don't know how to create it, I have told you. Primarily, this is the whole method of doing it. You can make it on Excel easier. You can make it on a Word document also. That is easier. It's up to you how you want to make it. Is that clear? How to make wireframes? How to make sitemaps? Any questions you have?
No.
Yeah. Okay. No questions, Jaideep. Okay, Ranjana, Claire, I believe. Okay, it's clear to everyone. Now your assignment one. And guys, don't think the assignment is for those who are studying in college, working professionals, assignment for everyone. And you have to do it because that will reflect your understanding of the topic. I have explained you this topic in 10 minutes, sitemap and wireframe. But to make a sitemap and a wireframe, it takes more than 4 to 6 hours for a single website. So this is your assignment for today. That what you have to do is you have to make a sitemap of your website, which you are thinking to make it for you. Okay. If you are not able to think it for you, then you can make a sitemap for an e-commerce site. Okay. This is first. And then the wireframe for that website means at least 5 pages wireframe or at least 3 pages of wireframe and the complete sitemap. So it will take around 3 to 4 hours of yours to complete it. Max. Okay. If you do proper research and all. That's all for today from my end. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask.